Welcome back to the Onefinity YouTube channel, where you might be wondering, who the heck is this chick? Hi, I'm Christy, and I'm a new member of Team Onefinity right here on the YouTube channel. Now don't worry, your two favorite mustached men aren't going anywhere. Morgan hasn't been fired yet, to my knowledge, but it's just simply put, Onefinity's growing and so is the team. Besides, I've been around Onefinity CNC for a while now. Technically, I've been a member of Team Onefinity since late 2021 when I got my first ever Onefinity woodworker. I know, those were the days. Actually, let me show you a clip of what that was like for me being a newbie to the CNC world. It's a little funny. Yes, that was me shielding my body behind a metal plate because I was really intimidated to get started in the world of CNC, and that is exactly why I still make videos all over the internet helping people kind of be empowered and see what you're capable of, and that's exactly why I'm here on the YouTube channel for Onefinity. It's because I want to help people, because this was my first cut. It's a square, and it took me a lot of courage and a little bit of time to work up to the ability to do this. And if that's where you are too, that's okay. That's why I'm here. We're going to be doing projects together and walking through what it's like to own a CNC. Onefinity has truly done a really phenomenal job creating a machine that is far more plug and play than anything else that I've seen out there that's available. And that's truly where my research started back in 2018. I wanted to buy a CNC, but everything was overwhelming. I read tons of forums with engineers saying how many days it took them to build a CNC, and I thought, goodness, if an engineer struggles to do it, I'm gonna struggle to do it. And so I really shied away from it for a while. And then I discovered Onefinity, and I looked at how they are put together, and it truly is matching up labeled cords to a labeled port and putting it together. And I finally felt like maybe, just maybe, I can do this. And to be able to get to the point where you're actually doing it, even if it's just that basic first cut, it's so empowering, and I want you to have that opportunity as well. So just for fun, I want to share with you a couple projects that I've done over the years. I've done different kinds of signs. I've used finer bits to do engraving details. I've created custom yoga mat stand thingies. I've created valet trays, things that fit together in cool ways. The possibilities are really endless with Onefinity. That's why they design their machines this way, so that they can be modular over the years. And over the years, I did decide to update my machine a little bit. I went from the woodworker up to the journeyman. And with that journeyman upgrade came the beefier 50mm rail on the X-rail, and that was really exciting to have that expanded cut area. With that, I was able to make these giant nutcracker cutouts, which were really fun to decorate and use around the holidays. And again, the possibilities are endless. It's really just your creativity that might limit you. However, I will say, one thing I want to communicate through future videos is that if you're not creative, if you don't feel like you can draw or learn a design software that easily, there's options for you too. You can easily buy files on Etsy for relatively inexpensive prices, supporting another maker, which is great. And then a lot of the times those files come with their speeds and feeds and toolpaths already pre-programmed for you. It's a really good way to get started and just see what the machines can do and feel empowered right away. Like you've just unlocked the key to the kingdom, and now the range of things you can make has just really expanded. And if I could pause this video right here, it'd be to invite you to comment down below if you do have a specific question in mind. Anything about Onefinity, if you have an older machine, if you're looking forward to potentially buying a new machine, we want to serve you better. So go ahead and comment down below what you might be interested in seeing a video from me about, or one of the guys, because Ultimately, you guys keep this business running, and we really want to help you along your journey. So if you could, right now, comment below what you're thinking about, what you need to know to own a CNC, what problems you might be encountering that perhaps a more in-depth video could help you out with. We want to help you, but we can't help you unless we know what it is you need help with. So take a minute and comment below right now. Thanks. So where am I right now in the process of my CNC journey? I've actually moved houses 3 times. So this CNC has traveled with me. I have put it together and it's worked like a charm, and I just was getting it set up when I got the call from Onefinity asking me if I wanted to join the team in this role. And with that, I'm at the point where I am getting an upgrade myself because I'm gonna make YouTube videos for Onefinity and take you along on that journey with me again. So be excited with me and join me on future videos where I'm going to be walking you through the process of what it's like being a new owner of the Gen 2 series machines. I'm upgrading to the Foreman, so now I'm gonna have that full 4-foot cut area, which is technically actually more like 49. And I'm very excited about the upgrade, and I want you to be able to watch videos that are coming from a newbie's perspective in terms of new machine, new controller. I certainly will have things to learn about, and I want to make sure I can communicate that clearly so that you guys can come here not only to find, you know, answers to setup questions, but also answers to troubleshooting questions, but also some inspiration for projects. I really want to walk you through things I'm getting creative with and hopefully either show you how to expand your creativity or perhaps even grow your business. So stick around. Things are about to get exciting on the Onefinity YouTube channel, and I'm really glad that I can be here for it. See you on the next one.